Dear all, our next topic is printers. What's a printer? A printer is an output device which receives data from a computer and give text or graphic output on paper. Because here we denote or here we studies about computer output devices, so that in the definition of printer we makes that is an output device of a computer. Second one, types of printers. Mainly, printers can be divided into two: impact printers, non-impact printers. Let us come to impact printer. Impact printer again classified as character printer and line printer. One example of character printer is dot matrix printer. These type of printers are now also used mostly in some shops and other offices. Dot matrix printers are still in use. In dot matrix printers or in impact printers, some striking arm is there, and paper and ink filled ribbons are there. The strikers are striking on the ink filled ribbon and paper, then characters are produced. It seems like the works on a typewriter. It's the same model how a typewriter works. In character printer or in dot matrix printer, it prints one character at a time. The another type of impact printers are line printers. It prints line by line. Then once more, if you give a definition for impact printers, an impact printers make contact with the paper. It usually forms the print image by pressing an inked ribbon against the paper using a hammer or pins. Following are some examples of impact printers. Dot matrix printers. The dot matrix printer uses print heads containing from 9 to 24 pins. These pins produce patterns of dots on the paper to form the individual characters. For example, if we can form a letter A, the A is formed by so many dots in the paper. In your olden days, you can see the computer prints, and if you have a look at the computer prints closely a look, then you can see each letters are constituted by dots. The 24-pin dot matrix printer produces more dots than a 9-pin dot matrix printer, which results in much better quality and clearer characters. The general rule is the more pins, the clearer the letters on the paper. The pin strikes the ribbons individually as the print mechanism moves across the entire print line in both directions, that is from left to right, then right to left, and so on. You can hear one smooth sound when this dot matrix printer works. The user can produce a color output with a dot matrix printer. The user will change the black ribbon with a ribbon that has color strips. Dot matrix printers are inexpensive and typically print at speed of 100 to 600 characters per second. One figure of dot matrix printer is also given here. Then other type of impact printer is daisy wheel printers. It is similar to a typewriter. What a typewriter in olden days, now the resembly of typewriter is daisy wheel printers. In order to get the quality of type found on typewriters, a daisy wheel impact printer can be used. It is called daisy wheel printer because the print mechanism looks like a daisy. At the end of each petal is a fully formed character which produces solid line print. A hammer strikes a petal containing a character against the ribbon, and the character prints on the paper. Its speed is slow, typically 25 to 55 characters per second. Nowadays, we cannot see daisy wheel printers. Then another type of impact printers comes to the line printers. We discussed about dot matrix and daisy wheel printers. These are character printers. They print character by character. But in line printers, in business where an enormous amount of material are printed, the character at a time printers are too slow. Therefore, these users need line at a time printers. Line printers or a line at a time printers use special mechanism that can print a whole line at once. They can typically print the range of 1200 to 6000 lines per minute. Drum, chain and band printers are the line at a time printers. Then we come to non-impact printers. One most common example of non-impact printer is inkjet printers. Inkjet printers work in the same fashion as dot matrix printers in the form images or characters with little dots. However, dots are formed by tiny droplets of ink. Inkjet printers form characters on paper by spraying ink from a tiny nozzles through an electrical field that arranges the charged ink particles into characters at the rate of approximately 250 characters per second. The ink is absorbed in the paper and dries instantly. Various colors of ink can be used. Inkjet printer, one or more nozzles in the print head emit a steady stream of ink drops. Droplets of ink are electrically charged after leaving the nozzle. The droplets are then guided to the paper by electrically charged deflecting plates. One plate has positive charge, upper plate, and the other has negative charge, it is the lower plate. A nozzle for black ink may be all that's needed to print text, but full color printing is also possible with the addition of needed to print text. But full color printing is also possible with the addition 3 extra nozzles for the cyan, magenta and yellow primary colors. If a droplet is needed for the character or image being formed, it is recycled back to its input nozzle. One figure of inkjet printer. Type of inkjet printer is also shown here. Several manufacturers produce color inkjet printer. Some of these printers come with all their colorings in a cartridge. If you want to replace one color, you must replace all the colors. Other color inkjet printers allow you to replace ink individually. These printers are a better choice if user uses one color more than other colors. These printers produce less noise and print in better quality with greater speed. Now, non-impact printers. Non-impact printers, the examples comes in laser printer. Laser printer works like a photocopy machine. Laser printers produce images on paper by directing a laser beam at a mirror which bounces the beam onto a drum. The drum has a special coating on into which toner sticks. Using patterns of small dots, a laser beam conveys information from the computer to a positively charged drum to become neutralized. From all those areas of drum which become neutralized, the toner detaches. As the paper rolls by the drum, the toner is transferred to the paper, printing the letters or other graphics on the paper. A hot roller burns to the toner on the paper. What's the characteristics of a printer? The most important characteristics of a printer is a resolution. The resolution means DPI. Resolution in terms of DPI, it's known. DPI means dots per inch. It is the marking of a printer. Okay, dear, thank you.